animal alphabet. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for narwhal. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for quail. R is for rhinoceros. S is for snail. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Well done! See you next time!